Do you want to mute Messenger notes? You can turn off notes someone on Facebook Messenger with just a few simple steps. But before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out. To mute Messenger notes, first, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you are on Messenger, tap on the three horizontal line menu at the top left of the screen. Now, a new screen appears. From here, tap on the settings icon at the top right of the screen. You are now on your profile page. Scroll down to the Preferences section and tap on Privacy and Safety. From the Privacy and Safety screen, find and tap on Hidden Contacts. Here, you will see all the contacts you have added before. Now, tap on the Add button at the top right of the screen. A new screen appears. Select a person you want to mute notes from in your Messenger app. You can choose from suggestions or use the search box to select a specific person. You can repeat the process to add multiple friends. Now, your Messenger will hide and mute the notes for these selected contacts.